Hi, my name is Donna Carlson and this is my poster presentation for my service learning placement that took place just after the Christmas holidays. I attended the Malula River Waterways and Landcare Inc., which was located on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. It's part of the Landcare organisation. It actually sits on site of Holcim, which is a mine site. They are financially supported by Holcim and the local council, and some of the plants that are being used to regenerate the old mine areas are being supplied from the nursery. The nursery only propagates native plants from seed or cuttings, which is all done on site. They supply as a wholesale nursery, sell direct to the public, donate to local tree planting days. So if a school is participating, they will donate to them, and they supply the local council as well. There is an on-site biocontrol facility which uses bugs to control noxious weeds threatening the endangered lowland subtropical rainforests of Australia. I was mostly successful in achieving my learning goals. The only thing I was not able to achieve was to take part in the water monitoring projects that they do, because the person that undertakes that was on holidays at the time. Otherwise, I learnt to propagate seeds and cuttings, which went into the propagation sheds. I also learnt how to tube up seedlings that were established and needed to go into bigger tubes ready for being sold. Collected seeds, and I got to suck bugs, which sounds really weird, but that little container with the blue lid that you can see is an apparatus they use to collect the bugs, which I used to control noxious weeds in the critically endangered subtropical lowland rainforest. Another learning goal that I had while on placement was to work with a diverse range of people in the community. I met some amazing people who are very passionate about their local environment. Funnily enough, a lot of them are ex-teachers, so we had some great professional discussions, also justifying why and how the service learning project fitted within the current degree. And also explaining how service learning was for the benefit of both myself and the organisation and community that I'm in. There were some great professional discussions there. And the other one was working with ICT and technology, which I helped them with their website. I was able to locate and find replacement links that were broken on the website, and I also assisted the person in the biocontrol facility to write an article for the website that was missing on that page. I've also taken photos of lowland subtropical rainforests, which could be used for the website as well. Achieving success in my learning goals was great, but I had some unintended personal learning as well. I found that spending time in the local environment had a really calming effect and helped me to restructure and get prepared for prac and going back to my actual normal job as well. So I sort of think that can help with my students, because maybe it will have the same effect on them. So incorporating some outdoor learning activities would be something I definitely want to take into my future teaching. Some implications for teaching and learning include the APST Standard 2, knowing the content and how to teach it. I would align this with community links. So instead of growing things like bean seeds that get thrown away, which I've done as a parent, I would look at growing native plants, and this can have different uses. We can grow them and donate them back to the nursery, so giving back to the community. We could consult with the groundsman about native species that can be planted on the school property and grow them that way. Or Or we could engage a community contact from my placement to help with a science project where we plan erosion control gardens. Undertaking projects can support all cross-curricular priority areas by incorporating numeracy and literacy skills in the planning and analysing stages, critical and creative thinking to create solutions and solve problems, and build social and personal capabilities while working together as a group. My service learning placement experience will help me to foster active citizenship in my own teaching, as I firmly believe that knowledge is power. If I am knowledgeable and passionate about environmental sustainability, and I promote engaging and relevant projects with my students that incorporate community connections, they will become active citizens that are agents of change about the local environment and their own communities. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my project. Here is the summary of my key learnings, and the following page is the reference list. Thank you.